You just filled up. 70 bucks. Gone. Again. What if you never had to do that again? This is GEARHOUND. I am Marcus. I dig through hundreds of electric rides every week, and only the ones that actually earn their spot land here. Today's lineup is loaded. 17 e-bikes, electric motorcycles, a sidecar for your dog, a go-kart for the driveway, even a dirt bike that thinks it is a full-size moto. Every single one built to kill your fuel budget for good. Links in the description if you want to grab any. Hit subscribe. Let's roll. Ever wake up at 6 a.m., drive to work, and watch the gas needle drop like your paycheck? Yeah, universal pain. Out of the hundreds I scanned this week, this retro build made the cut on style and range. Meet the TS Retro 1500. Peak 1500 watt motor, 20x4 fat tires, 48 volt 15 amp hour removable battery, 65 to 120 miles per charge, yes, per charge. Twist the throttle, full suspension eats the potholes, done. Looks like your grandpa's ride? Moves like it stole something. And it costs pennies to feed. Some rides look electric. This one forgets it is. The eAhora M1P Pro, 4,000 watt motor, 50 miles per hour flat out. 60 volt, 42 amp hour battery for 55 real world miles. Dual hydraulic brakes stop it like it means business. DOT approved. So it is actually street legal, not a driveway toy. Twist the throttle. Silence, then thrust. That is it. No gas, no oil changes, no pump receipt stuffed in the door pocket, and it costs less to charge than your morning coffee. Hold up, wait until you get to hash 5. That one covers 120 miles on one charge, a full work week, without ever plugging in. Weekend rolls in, you want to hit the trails. But 20 miles in, your legs quit, and your buddy is still going. Not fun. This one fixes that. The Aipas M1 Pro, 1800 watt motor, 26x4 fat tires, 48 volt, 17.5 amp hour battery, pushing 85 miles per charge. 7-speed shifter. Comes with a saddlebag on the house. All-day trail ride. No range anxiety, no let me sit down texts, just ride till the sun quits. Zero fuel the whole way. Real talk, how many electric rides fit 2 people, seatbelt included, without looking like a lawnmower? Exactly. Meet the eAhora M1P Sidecar. 2,000 watt motor, 37 miles per hour, 30 amp hour removable battery, 40 plus miles per charge, full suspension, hydraulic brakes. Bring your dog, bring your partner, bring both. The sidecar has got a windshield because this thing takes its passengers seriously. And zero fuel to move both of you. Called it. This is the one I flagged earlier. The RUAIOO 52 volt 31.5 amp hour battery, that is a monster pack. 3,000 watt peak motor, 35 miles per hour, 20x4 fat tires, full suspension, 7-speed, and here's the punchline, 80 to 120 miles per charge. That is a full work week of city commuting on one plug-in. Do the math on gas at $3.50 a gallon. This one pays for itself, then keeps saving. Out of the whole lineup, this is the value bomb. Dirt bikes usually mean loud, messy, expensive. This one skips all 3. The Flydone, 4,000 watt peak motor, 35 miles per hour, 48 volt 20 amp hour battery for 60 plus miles per charge. Built-in storage box for tools, water, whatever. And the trick? NFC unlock. Tap it to start, like your phone. No key to lose in the woods. Climbs 35-degree grades without complaining. Zero fuel, zero oil, zero neighbors calling the cops on you. Quick question for you, drop it in the comments. Would you rather burn $60 a week on gas or 60 cents a week on electricity? Because that's the exact math every single ride on this list is doing. Tell me which camp you're in. Snow, sand, loose gravel. Most e-bikes give up. This one shrugs. The KETELES K800 Dual-Motor 2,000 watt setup, front and rear pushing at once. 26-inch all-terrain tires. Hydraulic disc brakes. 30 miles per hour. Removable battery. Traction on stuff that eats regular bikes for breakfast. And at this price with dual motors? Rare. Winter rider? This one earned its spot. Bikepacking. Long-haul overnight trips on 2 wheels. It is blowing up. This is the ride built for it. The LEONX M2 Pro 1800 watt motor, 30-degree climb angle, 48 volt 17.5 amp hour battery, 85 miles per charge. And here is the flex. 11 different saddlebag and rack combos. Basically a bike and a suitcase in one. Ride out Friday, camp Saturday. Ride back Sunday. No car needed, no fuel bill. Some rides look like bicycles, some look like motorcycles. This one blurs the line. The JECHAM Premium, 3000 watt motor, 40 miles per hour, flat out. 60 volt, 40 amp hour battery. You are charging this once a week, not once a day. NFC smart lock so nobody is rolling off with it. Motorcycle style frame, bicycle class legal in most states. Feels like you got away with something, and the fuel bill is still zero. Ever try mounting a fat tire bike in a pencil skirt or work pants? It does not end well. This one solves it. The TST Step-Thru, 750 watt motor, 1500 peak. 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery, pushing 60 miles per charge. Step-Thru frame, swing your leg through, not over. Dual suspension, 3 modes. Available with a rear passenger seat. Works for the school run, the coffee run, the grocery run, every run except gas station runs. Almost through the lineup. Save your best wow for the last one. That mid-drive setup coming up hits like a real motorcycle. 1 button, 2 personalities, the EKXBIKE X21 Max. 6,000 watt peak motor, 60 volt, 30 amp hour removable battery. City mode, 28 miles per hour, chill commute. Off-road mode, 45 miles per hour, no chill. Tap the switch. Different bike, dual hydraulic brakes, full suspension, 60-mile range. 2 rides for the price of 1. Both of them run on pennies. Family with 1 car and 3 schedules? This one solves the math. The Bodywel, 500 watt motor, 48 volt, 15 amp hour removable battery, 20 miles per hour, 16-inch fat tires. Steel frame handles 330 pounds. Teen, adult, does not care. 5 speeds. Dual suspension. LED display. Grabs a 20-degree hill without whining. 1 bike. Every family member. 0 fuel for any of them. Amusement park go-kart. $40 for 10 minutes. This, buy once, race forever. Meet the Electric Go-Kart. 2,000 watt motor. Premium steel tubular frame, not the flimsy plastic stuff. Hydraulic rear disc brake. 3 speed modes. 8-inch off-road tires. 30 miles per hour. Kids and adults both fit. Set up in the driveway. Weekend just got upgraded. 0 fuel to run the whole race season. Live in a 5th floor walk-up? Park in a shoebox? Regular e-bikes hate you. This one does not. The CYCROWN RunMini, compact 16-inch wheels. 750 watt motor, 36 volt, 10.4 amp hour battery. 20 miles per hour. Front basket, full fenders, front suspension, fits in the elevator, fits in the trunk, fits under the desk at work. Small ride, real freedom. 0 pump stops. First e-bike? Do not drop $3 grand to find out if you like it. Start here. The TST Entry Fat Tire. 1500 watt peak motor, 20-inch fat tires, 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery. 60-mile range, climbs, 35-degree grades. Budget tier price, real tier performance. This one made the cut because it does the job without making your wallet cry. Fuel savings start day 1. Kid wants to ride with mom and dad, but their bike is too big and yours is too small? Everyone I dig through the market for asks about this. The Spacewalk M6 and M7. 2 frame sizes, 16-inch and 20-inch. Same brand, same look. 1500 watt peak motor. 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery. 4-way suspension. 50 to 75 miles per charge. Everyone matches. Everyone rides. Nobody sits in a car waiting for gas. Save the heaviest for last. The RIXOC GT16. 3000 watt mid-drive motor, that is the real trick here. Mid-drive means the torque hits like a gas-powered dirt bike, not a scooter. 39 miles per hour, 52 volt, 25 amp hour battery, 50-mile range. Dual hydraulic suspension. Adjustable speed cap. Start at 20, unlock up to 30, that is the 17. Every single one built to bury a gas station receipt for good. Real talk, think about the last time you filled up. Watch that number on the pump, climb past $50, past $60, kept going. That feeling of your paycheck evaporating through a nozzle? Every ride on this list is designed to erase it. Whether it is the retro cruiser at number 1, the 120-mile value bomb at number 5, or that mid-drive dirt bike at number 17, pick the one that fits your life, and the math starts working in your favor day 1. So here's the question. Which one on this list would kill your fuel bill first? Drop the number in the comments. I read every single one, and the ride that gets the most love goes deeper in the next video. If this lineup was worth your time, hit that subscribe button. I do the digging every week, filter out the junk, and only the rides that earn their spot make it to GEARHOUND. Next drop is coming fast. All 17 affiliate links are waiting in the description below, plus my full Amazon storefront and the WhatsApp deals channel. If you want the fresh finds sent straight to your phone, that is it. Ride smart, save loud, and I will see you in the next lineup.